Meaning of demurely.
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 Demurely. Demurely means to behave in a modest or shy manner, often with a sense of grace and decorum. When someone acts demurely, they tend to avoid drawing attention to themselves and may appear reserved or introverted. This type of behavior is often associated with traditional notions of femininity and has been portrayed in literature and media as a desirable trait in women. However, it is important to note that no one should be expected to conform to such narrow gender roles, and individuals should be free to express themselves in whichever way feels most authentic to them.